Morning, mathematicians. Today we are talking about doubles. This whole week is going to be about the doubles fact. So let's look at this picture here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side. I'm right 6. And the same number on this side. So my equation is 6 plus 6, which I know equals 12. So we're going to be talking about this all week. And you don't have to start at 1. You're starting at 6 and then counting on 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But when we double a number, we're going to have to memorize a lot of facts. Let's look at page 104 in our orange Origo workbook. We're going to write some doubles addition sentences. So let's look at these hands here. Each hand is holding up a number. So let's label 5, 5. So I know already that my addition equation is going to be double 5. So I can type 5 plus 5 equals blank. So when you double 5, you get two groups of 5. We wrote our equation, so 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now it says, what doubles do each of these pictures show? So I see a spider here, and I know the spider has 8 legs. So what double would I use? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 legs on the left side, and there's 4 legs on the right side. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. Now let's look at this one. My bicycle has 1 wheel on the back and 1 wheel on the front. So I know that 1 plus 1 equals 2. The horse has 2 back legs and 2 front legs. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. So you can see doubles really anywhere. So you got to pay attention. Let's look at number 1. It says write the numbers to match the double. So we've got a box. Looks like of some orange juice. Oh, I like orange juice. We have 3 on the left side. And we have 3 on the right side. So 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals 6. And you could also say it another way, double 3 equals 6. So you're going to do the same thing for B with the eggs. Let's look at number 2. Draw the same number of dots on the other wing. Okay. So let's do A together. I've got 4 dots on the left side. So I need to draw 4 dots on the right side. And I'm going to write that in there. 4 on the left, 4 on the right. So now I know that 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4 plus 4 equals 8. So I could say double 4 is 8. So when you double something, you're doing the same number 2 times. You're going to do the rest of those. And then the step ahead says draw a butterfly showing dots for double 8. So I'm going to underline that. Double 8. So I'm going to have 8 dots on one side and 8 dots on the other side, and then write the sentence below. Now we're on page 106, and it says that some friends are playing a game where they double the number they roll in a cube. So our bear asks us, how would you figure out double 7? Well, we don't know double 7, but we know double 5. So double 5 is 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So now we've got 10, and we know that 5 plus 2 equals 7. So double 2, 2 plus 2 equals 4. So now we're going to add these two numbers together. 10 plus 4 equals 14. Because 5 plus 2 equals 7. So I can decompose it. 5 plus 5 is 10. 2 plus 2 is 4. And then that gives me double 7, which is 14. So it's a little bit different way to show you how to get to a double number that we are not familiar with yet. Let's look at number 1. It says using the same strategy, figure out each of these equations. So double 8. So they decomposed 8 into 5 and 3. So we know that double 5 is 10 and double 3 is 6. So now we're going to add 10 plus 6. So double 8 is really 16. 10 plus 8 equals 16. 10 plus 6 equals 16. So silly. Let's look at number 2. It says, playing this double game with another student, take turns to roll the cubes labeled, double the number you roll, and place a counter on the answer. Now, we won't be able to do this right now, but you could play it with yourself or with a parent. So it says, roll the dice. Okay, so let's pretend like we rolled a 4. So I'm going to double 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So now that I've written 4 plus 4 equals 8, I can use this to write in. Then I'm going to take a counter, and I'm going to cover 8, because I've already used 8. So it's just a fun little game you can play where you roll a dice, and then you double it, and then cover the counter. And you can take turns. One could be red counters, one could be yellow, and you can see who wins the game. And the step ahead down here says, write a doubles fact to complete each addition sentence. So this is 10, so I know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. So you're filling in the doubles that you know. On page 108, and we're going to talk about the double plus 1 strategy. So let's look here. It says, what doubles facts do these cubes show? Well, there's 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. How could you use that doubles fact to figure out the total of these cubes? Well, the red cube represents 1 more. So what's 10 plus 1? So we're looking at 10 plus 1, which would equal 10 plus 1 equals 11. So let's look at number 1. It says write the answers. That's easy. A, double 4 is, 4 plus 4 equals 8. Oh man, this is easy. So we're just doubling the number. You're going to do that for the rest of these. Number 2, write the doubles fact, then draw 1 more dot on one side. So it doesn't matter which side. I'm going to pick one. Then write the doubles fact and its turnaround. We've been talking about that. So let's write what we see. So the first one, let's do A together, is 4. And I see another 4. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. Now let's draw one more dot. Looks like we're going to do it on the right side. Here's a dot here. Okay. Now my sentence has changed. There's still 4 on the left side, but now there's 5 on the right side. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. And I know that because 8 plus 1 equals 9. I'm going to turn these facts around. Remember, my answer stays in the same place. But if 4 was first this time, then 4 goes second next time. And we're going to just switch those places. We're going to turn those facts around. So we have 4 plus 5 equals 9, which is the same as 5 plus 4 equals 9. So step 1, write what you see. Step 2, draw a dot. Step 3, write the new equation. Step 4, write the turnaround. Page 110, we're going to just go over the double plus 1 strategy again. So we have a number track here, 7 through 11, and it has an equal sign next to 8, 9, and 10. So it wants us to double the number. So what number doubled equals 8? 4 plus 4 equals 8. But no number doubled equals 9. So I know that that's the double plus 1 strategy. So 4 plus 5 would equal 9. And 10, I know that that's 5 plus 5. So let's take a look at number 1. It says circle the dominoes that show a double plus 1 fact. Okay, so A, we have 5 and 6. Well, I know that 5 plus 5 is 10 and 5 plus 6 is 11. So that's a double plus 1. 5 plus 4. Okay, so that could have been 4 plus 4 and then I added one more. Yes. But let's take a look at C. 4 and 1. Are those just one number apart? No, so I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to cross that one out. So you're going to take a look at the rest of these and see if you took one dot away from one side, would they be a double? You're looking for the ones that would have been a double. Number 2 says, write the domino fact and then write the total for double plus 1. So I know that double 4 is 8. But now this domino says 4 plus 5. So I know that 4 plus 5 equals 9. So you're going to double the first number and then add on one more and write the total at the bottom. Page 112. We're going to talk about double plus 2. We did doubles, double plus 1. Now we're doing double plus 2. So let's look at these cubes. This shows me 5 cubes on the top and 5 cubes on the bottom. So I know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. Oops, 10. Now we're going to add 2 more. So this new equation would be 5 plus 7 because 5 plus 2 equals 7. And that gives me 12 cubes. So looking at number 1, it tells me, ooh, word form. Good thing I have my word form in my journal. Double 4 is 8. Now double 4 plus 2 more, so we're adding 8 plus 2. So all you're doing is adding plus 2 to the total. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So double 7 is 14. And then you're going to add 2 more. So for each one of these, you're just adding 2 more, which would equal 16. Okay. So double the number and then add 2 more. 5, 9, 8. Okay. Now, number 2 says, write the doubles fact, draw 2 more dots, and then write the fact and its turnaround. So I have 2 plus 2, which I see is 4. Now I'm going to draw 2 more dots on one side. 1, 2. So now it's not 2 plus 4 anymore. 2 plus 2 anymore. Wow. Sorry. It's 2 plus 4. So there's 4 dots on one side. So I can count on using my dominoes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. Now let's turn that fact around. I know that the answer stays the same. So if the 2 is first this time, then the 4 will be first. Because we're going to switch those facts around. We're going to turn them around. So first step, write what you see. Second step, draw 2 more dots. Third step, write the new equation. Fourth step, turn the fact around.